In this show video, I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to use VS Code to clone a repository. Okay, so let's get started. We click on the Git icon. Okay, and then in this case, we'll click on Clone Repository. And what I want to do is I want to clone, in this case, the C-Type 26 template. And let's do code, and then make sure it's HTTPS, copied, and then come to code, and then do E to paste it, and then do that. It will tell me, it will ask me where I want to place it. In this case, let me actually put a new folder, a temporary folder that I want to create, and that's where I'm going to place it. And select the repository locations. And then it will ask me if I want to open the clone repository. So I have a choice to open it in a new window, or I can open it in the current window. And so it will ask me if I trust the author. In this case, yes. And so click on that. And here is the repository that I just cloned. Okay, so this is a short demo. Let me know if you have any questions.